Welcome to Baltimore's professional concrete stamping contractors. We specialize in stamped concrete services, bringing decorative charm to properties in the greater Baltimore area. With years of experience, our skilled masons have perfected the art of stamped concrete, offering various design choices. From concrete form patterns to color selections and accent sealants, we guide clients through the decision-making process. Our wide selection includes brick, stone, and textured stamps, providing endless design possibilities. Stamped concrete and outdoor decorative concrete adds color and texture, enhancing the aesthetics and value of residential and commercial spaces. Our craftsmanship also extends to stamped concrete restoration, reviving old or damaged surfaces. We consider stamped concrete installation an art form, using precise techniques and tools. Our results are both beautiful and durable. Choose us for driveways, patios, walkways, pool decks, interior floors, steps, and commercial spaces. With its durability and versatility, stamped concrete is the top choice for residential and commercial properties. Trust us for a perfect blend of beauty and strength. Contact us today at 410-220-6682.